Superintendent Jerry Padilla. Superintendent Padilla, nasa active service pa po ba kayo?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Saan po kayo naka-assign ngayon?
Na-assign po ako ngayon sa New Bilibid Prison as the Directorate for Information.
Pwede po pakilapit lang yung microphone na... Thank you.
Anong taon po kayo na-assign sa Dapicol?
Since 1983, when I entered the prison service, Your Honor,
Hindi, nung naging warden ka na, anong taon ka naging warden sa Dapicol?
from 2015 yata yun, Your Honor, until I was transferred to NBP in 2018.
So, okay. You were assigned in Dapicol